originally how the business models were developed,
Yep.
the interaction with customers, it was all about keeping them, it's like crack cocaine. Just keeping them addicted, keeping them on your platform to generate revenue. It caused, and you said it caused all these social problems, depression,
Well, I'll give you another.
I mean,
well, yes.
executives wouldn't even let their kids use smart devices because they know how bad this is for you. So that's how it was built.
I think like I mentioned, Tristan Harris, he talked about it. He was very prescient around the mental health issues that would arise when you start to really trigger the dopamine loop. And so we see among young people, obviously, a high incidence of mental health issues. We see a high incidence of just, that comparison mindset. Because when you drive this reward loop, you're driving people to have a disconnect between their perceived reality of the world and the actual reality of the world. And that's where we're going now, right? So when there's that dissonance of what you see, where you're spending so much time in this digital realm, and then you walk out in the real world, or you see what's going on in the real world, and you're like, there's that disconnect. It's challenging for young people. And a large part of that is because advertisers obviously are trying to push a very aspirational lifestyle.